What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't seen the last video, make sure you check it out. We installed a new cat back on the car. We got the AWE Touring exhaust with catless mid pipes, and we got the car out today. We're gonna do some driving of the car so you guys can hear how it sounds. And honestly, so I can hear how it sounds too, because I haven't really even driven it since we installed the exhaust. It's been 95 degrees here in PA the past couple days, and it's been raining like crazy. So yeah, I mean, without doing too much more talking, I'll give you guys a startup and then we'll get out on the road and start driving. So this is gonna be a warm start because I obviously drove the car here, but the car sounds way better than I expected it to sound, but there's one thing that I don't like about these mufflers. Since they have this, hold on a second. Instead of screaming, I might as well just turn it. There's one thing that I don't like about this AWE system, and that's the anti-drone technology. So basically what happens, and you guys will hear this when we get in the car, at certain RPMs, it's around like 1500, the car actually goes quiet because these mufflers, since it's the touring system, it has this technology in it called 180 technology. Basically, it's anti-drone technology, so whenever the car senses or detects that there will be some drone, it silences it out. So that's a feature of the touring system. I didn't really know about that before I bought the system. I probably wouldn't have had I known before, but too late now, got a good deal on it, and here we are. So you guys will hear it, but it gets quiet at certain points when I'm driving, which I don't really like. So I'm gonna see how I like it, and who knows, maybe I'll switch the system up and this will be for sale soon. I don't know, but I just wanted to get that out there. That's really my only complaint with the exhaust so far. If the mic falls off, make sure you watch this video so I can buy a new one and watch the ad. So now that you have the Redeye, I can actually back it up. See guys, like inside the cabin right now, I don't know if you can hear this, but you really can't hear anything. It's like really quiet. The exhaust is really quiet. But then like once the RPM, when you're at idle, it turns back on and you hear the sound of the exhaust, and then obviously when you step on the gas, you also hear it. So like, I don't know if you heard that split second where it was at like 1500 RPM, it's completely silent. And like my last car had so much drone, I hated it, but now that this car is like actually fast, it's fast enough to be super loud, so I don't know if I would like it to be louder. So I didn't actually show you guys the car when we were parked up, but this thing is looking insane right now. I love the B-locks on the back. And now we got the black quad tips. Makes the back end look a lot more aggressive. The one outer tip on the left side, I do have to adjust because it's kind of sagging a little too much, but I don't have time to mess with that today. It's just kind of me nitpicking. You can't really tell unless you're like looking for it, but that's the only thing with the exhaust that I really got to fix. But